Uh-oh. Put it back up there. You need help? You need help? You want to get up? You got it. You gotta keep your bike on the hard ground, okay? Are you just making an entrance? Okay, put it back up here. You can't ride it in the sand. You're so strong, TJ. Good job. Okay, you gotta go in a circle. Don't go this way. No, go that way. You can go that way. Whoa! Oh, stop, stop. You want to bring it over there? Okay, stand up and carry it over there. You got it? You want some help?
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy.
There you go. You can paddle, use your pedals. What you doing, Caesar? You doing your alphabet?
Uh-oh, that's
What's that? Good job, TJ. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, don't run over your brother. TJ, you need help turning left? Oh, Caesar, TJ wants to get past. Why not? Okay, no crying, TJ. What did I tell you? You use your words. You say, excuse me. Uh-oh.